way, yeah, down. I can't relate, zone off in the cloud.
What's up guys, it's BT here, and this is my $450 60% keyboard. Now I get questions all the time about what keyboard I'm using, what switches I'm using, what keycaps I'm using, and what is that cable you are using, BT. So I made this video to answer all of those questions and then some, and kind of tally up how much this keyboard actually costs, because it actually snuck up on me, but it was well worth it. So today I'm going to help you guys out and lead you guys on the right path to creating your own in-game keyboard. All right, so let's start off with the heart of this setup, which is the base, and that is from the Massdrop Alt. Now this thing is pretty expensive at $230 for the switches and some keycaps and the base. But the good thing about the Massdrop Alt high profile is that it is hot swappable. It is also pretty heavyweight compared to the old Alt, and why they call it the high profile is that it has this casing around the edges. It doesn't have an open base like the older Alt. It still keeps that amazing RGB ring around the outside, which I absolutely love. It's got USB-C, and it is very heavyweight. This thing is not for travel. It's meant to just stay on your desk and sit and look pretty. I think I've gotten so many questions about what this keyboard is recently, and it's the high profile. So the high profile casing is also slanted, and it gives enough of a slant to where I don't need keyboard kickstands, which this doesn't have any. So either way, I would have had to stick with this. So next up, you guys should know what switches are in these. They are the purple Zelios version 2, 62 grams. If you haven't seen my video on those, go check it out. Those are my favorite switches. They're like browns on steroids, and I just love them so much. They have a tactile bump, and they bottom out at 62 grams, and they just feel absolutely amazing overall. Whether you're a gamer or a typist, I think it's a great middle ground. And spoiler alert, there will be a sound test later on in this video. So the switches are about 10 for 10, so $1 per switch. I had to buy 70 for a 65% keyboard, so that's another 70, so we are at $300. Yikes, BT, what did you do? Next up, we are going to talk about the keycap set. Now this keycap set really encompasses what my channel is about. Those old retro 80s, 90s purples, blues, pinks, reds, oranges, and just vibrant colors, and that is the Mito laser keycap set. Now I waited over a year to get these, and they finally came with the Massdrop Alt high profile, and I just snapped it up. I just gobbled it up. I had to get it. There was no way that I was gonna let them slip through my fingers again, so I picked them up. Mito is actually gonna be doing another drop on these very soon. I hope I'm not butchering his name, but he's gonna be doing another drop. I'll keep you guys posted so you guys can get your hands on these. I think it looks really good with the final mouse as well, so hint hint. If you guys have a final mouse, a red one, these red accents look amazing with it. But overall, I could not ask for a better keycap set. They are GMK, some of the best and highest quality keycap sets that you can buy. So this is in-game for me. I've been waiting for this keycap set forever, and I got them. They're in my hands. They're not going anywhere. So the Mito keycap sets are coming in at $90 for the 65%. So now we are at $390. Yikes. So next up, let's talk about my custom cable. I get a lot of questions on this, about this silver plug, the coil, and the custom cable. It's expensive. It's about $60. I know it's just a USB cable, but it makes your setup look absolutely sick. So what you have to do is you have to go to metcables.com, get a USB-C to female Aviator adapter, and then you get a male adapter to a USB-A, and then you put a 6-inch coil on there, and you get a 5 feet cord total, and then you're done. It comes out to about $60, putting this keyboard at $450. Where did all my money go? But it's worth it. I think it looks absolutely sick on any desktop. So if you guys want to get one, I highly recommend it. You just buy one and then you're done. I went with the Undead pattern, which has those, again, neon green purples, that 80s 90s vibe that I go for with my setup. So it just fits perfectly, and I love it. I couldn't be more happy with it. All right, and then lastly, I have a Novel Keys mouse mat. Now this actually matches the Mito keycap set. It's actually made in tandem with it. That's why it works so well. I'll actually link all of these things down below so you guys can check it out. But I love that mouse mat. It looks absolutely sick, and they have a couple of different colors to match your setup, so just pick and choose which one matches your colors and you're done. Oh yeah, I feel like we're forgetting something. What are we forgetting, guys? Oh yeah, a sound test. Drop that thing. Ah, yeah. Some good stuff right there. All right, guys, so that is gonna do it for my $450 60% keyboard. It's an absolute unit. I love it. It has everything that I want and then some. I'm completely happy with it. And yeah, until the next keycap set or keyboard comes out, this is what I'm gonna be using. All right, guys, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. It has been your boy BT Sound. Peace.